This right here.
Ow! Fuck! Crawdad trapping gone wrong.
Holy
Here.
smokes! Holy smokes!
I like how shallow I can float in a kayak.
Yeah.
All right, I'm in the kayak. All right, crawdad traps, lake, cat food, crawdads. Let's go get him. All right, I'm gonna troll with a little square bill, and so might as well try. We caught some trout yesterday, trolling from the boat, so there's a possibility. I think I hit weeds. Might be a fish, dude. I think so. Oh, maybe it's just weeds. No, just weeds. And it like hit, and I'm like, oh, that's something. So I pick it up, and it must have been pulling through the weeds because I could feel thump, thump, thump. Yeah, I'm not gonna troll anymore. I think I just hit another thing of weeds. Yep, whole bunch of weeds. All right. All right. Next, I get cat food. Here. Ugh. What in the hell is... Oh, it's a catfish head. That's what stinks. I told you something smelled like death. I almost touched it and I was like, ugh. It's just been rotting up on this log.
Is it black?
Yeah, right there. See the teeth?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Freaking gross. So my rope is now connected to the trap. Rope is connected to the tree. Now all I gotta do is open up a can of cat food. So then, get your can opener, get your can of cat food. Oh, gross. Open up this trap door little thingy. Toss her in there. Shut her up. Then I am good to go. My ideal bait for crawdad trapping is definitely some sort of fish guts. If you shoot a carp or something, kill a carp. It's on the bottom. Throw your line out, and I'm done. Sweet. One crawdad trap is set. On to the next one.
Let's go!
Yeah? Oh, wow. All right, second trap set. Into the wind. Make sure you choose this tree with the most spiders. That seems to help. Toss it in. No, I missed. Oh God! Oh my God! We're gonna sink! Oh hey, what's up?
Oh, Robbie, that's bad.
Yes! Oh God! Oh God! Ah! Fish guts. Crawdad, mate. Alright, well guys, as you can see, out on the kayak once again, it is the next day from when I went and set the crawdad traps. And yesterday evening, I was trolling with Easton from the boat, and I was able to catch a trout, and he swallowed the hook, and he was not gonna make it, so we decided to keep him, and we're gonna cook him up when we get back. But in here, I've got some stinky fish guts, got some more cat food, and so I'm gonna go reset these crawdad traps and check them, and hopefully we've got a big mess of crawdads. The most we've caught out of here in one trap check, which would have been one day, was over almost 100. It was almost 100. So possibility of us getting a big old mess of crawdads is very possible, and that'll be really cool if we can do it from the kayaks. So we're gonna see. Wish us luck. Oh my freaking, that's a big old stump. All right, I'm gonna troll on my way over there, see if I can get a trout or something to bite. Awesome. Trolling just with a little spoon, silver spoon. Easton, what's your guess of how many crawdads in total we'll have? 23? All right, I'm gonna say 30. All right. Lassoed the tree. Put my oil right here, so it's out of the way. And let's pull this sucker up. Come on, we need some crawdads. Oh God, is it stuck? Uh-oh. Yeah. That's not good. Ugh. Yeah, that thing ain't coming up. I can just undo this.
This right here.
Ow!
What'd you do?
Cut myself. Nice. Crawdad trapping gone wrong. Alright, pulling up trap number 2. Nope, not this one.
Wait till I get there.
Okay. This one trap is gonna have 10. Oh crap. What? 1.
1?
Yep. Oh, 2.
2.
Did better than I thought.
Okay, I'm gonna go through 12 altogether.
Cat food just isn't a good bait.
It's not.
No.
So that one's a pretty decent size.
Yeah.
Is he soft shell?
No.
Oh wow, look how red his claws are. On the
Yeah.
Underside.
Crazy. Alright, get the little bit of water for him. Ugh. Cool. Next trap. Alright, I'm hopeful for this one. This one isn't stuck at least. One. Yep. This one will have guts in it though. Thank you. Alright, fish tail and a fish head. Cool. Alright, I'm all set. Yeah, it's the cat food. Alright, you can call that good. Huh.
Tank in there.
1, 2,
4.
5 or so?
4. There's a giant one in there.
That's not bad. Ugh. Come here, buddy.
Look, put that baby in the trap. Put it in the trap.
Okay, but look at that big old crawdad.
It's all dried up. It's scary.
All right, I got good hopes about this one for tomorrow. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
What?
This thing fell off. I got stuck. Oh, I see the rope. What we getting?
2, 3, and a freaking tiny one.
So
and
4?
Giant. Spiderweb.
We got crowdiddly daddies. 2 tiny ones. Those are freaking microscopic, dude. Look at the size of that crawdad. Oh, oh! We got the crawdad still. Even though we dunked the cat food in the water. Oh, my oar. Another one. So that's 3, 4, and 5. The next 2 have fish guts in them, so I'm hopeful.
They're all huge.
Yeah?
2, 3, 4, 5. Freaking giant.
5? Wow.
Wait, no, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. They're all huge, dude. Well, there you go.
Oh, that's a good haul.
Yeah, that's a great haul, dude. Especially all that stuff.
I mean, from what we've gotten so far,
Claws on that one.
that guy's got some big, meaty claws. The trap we're pulling up to, guys, has the stinky catfish head in it. You have to pull it out. Yeah. Let's hope for 10 in here so I can get my goal of 20. I'm recording.
Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't see any. Oh, okay, that's pretty decent.
We did good. Probably about 5 again.
7.
Blech.
I wanted to see it. Stupid.
Well, you ain't ever gonna see it again. Let go, buddy. I'm gonna rip your claw off if you don't let go. Alright guys, so now this is gonna be the catch and cook part of the video. We're gonna go clean these up and eat them up. So I'll see you when we get there.
Let's go.
I have to poop.
Put that in the video.
No.